All right, welcome to the Crypto Fubu YouTube channel. I want to do a very quick analysis for us today on the price of Bitcoin. The daily candle, the weekly candle is just attempting to make a open now. And it is important for us to get a perspective of clearly what will play out in the course of the week so that we can place our trade based on the fact that we have seen on the charts. All right, let's go. Now, before I continue with this weekly analysis, I just want to give us, this information that I will share with us my various targets for the week. I'll share with us my various targets for the week. And these targets are not the most that they will hit, but these targets are going to be the most likely. Now, I'm going to give us a scale of probability which is likely to hit. It's as simple as that. All right, let's go straight to the chart. Let's see what the chart is telling us right now. The market has been on a long down trend, coming down from 68 to where it is right now. Yes, a lot of people will be scared right now. Fear and greedy legs, it's not in positive territory. They're not even close to the positive territory right now. But that doesn't mean that we stay out of the market. This has happened before. It's not the first time. It usually happens. So for those that don't understand that it's a usual occurrence. It's a visual occurrence, and at the time this will get over, the market will move up again. So this is a time for us to put in our time and energy to the market, searching the market, so we can place ourselves on a very good note when the market begins to move up for the long term. All right, let's go to the chart once again now. This is a weekly chart. This is a weekly candle that just closed now. If you look at this weekly candle, then if you look at this, they're very similar. This is a reversal pattern, same point. It's a reversal pattern that tells us that Bitcoin will be making an uptrend this week. Simple. I don't want to talk much about this. It's a reversal candle pattern that clearly tells us that Bitcoin will be moving to the upside this week. And that if that happens, where are we going to be looking at? Our target usually is going to be 17,500 once again. That's going to be our target. Some people are saying Bitcoin will likely come down from double bottom, but I don't know if that will happen. I don't know if that will happen. We don't usually predict. We wait for the chart to do what is going to do clearly for us. Some people are looking at this double bottom pattern, to be formed. Well, I'm not of that school of thoughts. We don't predict the market. We look at the chart and then we make our decision based on what the chart is showing to us. So right now, what we're seeing clearly here right now is that the weekly candle has closed, and this weekly candle has closed in a bullish pattern. So what remains is the market most likely will be going up. And 16,900 have been stubborn resistance. Take note, there have been stubborn resistance, and probably we may see it being broken this week with this candle pattern that the market have closed with. Now let's quickly move to the daily time frame. I don't want to waste time with this at all. I've shown you clearly to us on the weekly time frame. Sorry. Let's go to the daily time frame. Yeah, on the daily time frame, you see the chart clearly here again. You see that this Fibonacci is 0.61 around the price of 16,900. I mean, a stubborn resistance for Bitcoin. Bitcoin are struggling to break above for the whole of this week. Bitcoin struggled to break above it. It was not able to break above it. Bitcoin could not break above it. But if you look at it, there's some form of squeeze here. You may not take note of it. Then look at where volume has been somehow flat because of this period. I told us whenever volume is flat, expect a breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. But with the fact that are clearly on the chart here now, you see that the prices are likely to play more to the upside. If it would have broken to the downside, then we would have done that earlier before now. But since we didn't see that, then the week has closed in the bullish pattern. Now, this is going to be even more clear for us on the quarterly time frame. Let's go to the quarterly time frame. Now, 16,900 is the first target where we're looking at Bitcoin to break above. If Bitcoin break above 16,900, then we're going to be keeping our eye on 17,500 once again. That's it. We're going to be keeping our eyes on 17,500 once again. Those are our targets. Now, what if Bitcoin breaks below 16,600? 16,600 is the support right now. If it breaks below, what happened? Bitcoin will fall down to 16,200 most likely. Those are our targets. Now, let us see how clear this thing is for us on the hourly time frame. We use the hourly time frame for our entry and exits. That's it. Now on the hourly time frame, look at this is even more clearer. You can see how this 16,900 have been a very stubborn resistance for Bitcoin to break above. But we're looking at the possible breakout. A million breakout. Let us look at what the BB is telling us. All right. Now, if you look at the BB now, the BB is tight, is squeezed. And when you see squeeze like this, prepare for a breakout to the upside, simple or downside. But with what we are seeing here now, the probability is favoring the upside. And the first target is going to be what? 17,500. But first, we need to break this resistance of 16,900. That's it. While we also keep close watch on this support, which is around the prices of 16,600. Now, the reason why I am really much looking at this also going to the upside, apart from the fact clearly we're seeing on the chart here that the breakout is expected and on the weekly time frame we're going to close well. Now let us see the chart of LTC. I'm going to show something very clearly on the chart of LTC. Now this is the chart of LTC. I told somebody that LTC will go to the upside. After I saw this squeeze, and I drew my target with the Fibonacci, clearly, I saw that this guy will go to the upside. This guy broke to the upside. It's right now on top of the support of 68. On top of the support of 68. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to replicate this. That is what it is. All right, I want to keep it very simple here and to tell us to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like our videos, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get our videos with time as we upload them. We make our analysis simple and educational so that YouTube by tomorrow can know how to do this. Thank you very much. Bye for now. See you in my next update. I remember I'm myself. Thank you.